Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to set up Zelle with your Bank of America account. If you're tired of writing checks or waiting for transfers, Zelle is a game changer. It's a fast, secure way to send and receive money directly from your bank, and integrating it with Bank of America is straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need a Bank of America online banking account, the Bank of America mobile app installed on your phone, and a valid email or US mobile phone number that's not already linked to another Zelle account. Why? Because Zelle uses these for verification to keep things safe and secure. Okay. Step 1. Open the Bank of America app on your smartphone and log in with your username and password. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store, it's free. Once you're in, head to the main menu. Look for the Transfer or Send Money section. That's where Zelle usually lives. Step 2. Tap on Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll see an option to enroll. Go ahead and select that. You'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number, the one you want to use for Zelle. Bank of America will send a verification code to that email or phone, so keep an eye out for it. Enter the code in the app to confirm. Next, Step 3. Link your funding source. This is typically your Bank of America checking account, but double-check that it's the one you want to use for transactions. The app will ask you to review and agree to Zelle's terms. Take a quick read through them to understand the fees or limits. Now, for Step 4. Add contacts. Once Zelle is set up, you can search for friends or family who use Zelle by their phone number or email. This makes sending money as easy as a few taps. Remember, transactions are usually instant, so only send to people you trust. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check your app settings or contact Bank of America support through the app. They're usually helpful and quick to respond. There you have it. That's how to set up Zelle with Bank of America in just a few simple steps. It's a fantastic tool for splitting bills or sending gifts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.